As yesterday, what we had discussed, reproduction में female reproductive system we had discussed, right? How are the different organs of the female reproductive system? Yeah, what are the functions of these organs we had discussed. Now, next topic that we have to discuss that fertilization. Right? Yesterday I already explained it to you. How the fertilization takes place. Where the fertilization takes place? Fertilization takes place in after fertilization. When the fertilization occurs, it comes and move to the uterus. Stick to the uterus wall where the fertilization properly. So after fertilization, zygote stick to there. Then it growth and development takes place in the uterus, and then the baby development proper start, right? That we had discussed. Now, just write down fertilization. लिख लो, what is fertilization? The first step in the process of reproduction is the first step in the process of reproduction is fusion of sperm and egg. Fusion of sperm and egg. The first step in the process of fertilization is the fusion of sperm and an egg or the ovum. We can write anything. Then what happens when sperms in contact, like जब sperms जो है when they come in contact with the eggs, ठीक है, one of the sperm will fuse together and the one of the sperm will fuse with the egg and they will form a zygote. Actually as like we can say, I told you yesterday this is the like ovum. Ovum में भी आगे layers होंगी. As the यहाँ पे न्यूक्लियस होगा एग का, ठीक है, स्पर्म will like this, ठीक है, number of the sperms are there. When they fall on the ovum or the egg, one of the sperm will fuse, ठीक है, one of the sperm like अंदर चला गया, right? Then the fusion of this egg and the sperm and the egg will take place, ठीक है. तो वहां पे क्या हुआ हमारे पास fusion of nuclei of sperm and of an egg or a sperm, they fuse together, they will form a zygote, right? यानी कि the process, ठीक है, in which the fusion of the male gamete with the female gamete, eggs or the ova, and form a zygote. This is called the fertilization. ठीक है. What is this zygote? Zygote is called the beginning. This is the beginning. Stop talking. Beginning of a new individual. Right? This is the beginning of the new individual. अब यहाँ पे when the beginning like naturally half जो है that has taken from the mother and the father, ठीक है, तो both the characteristic, मतलब characteristic from the both like mother as well as the father, it comes into the baby. Clear? Clear है? This is what fertilization. What is fertilization? The process in which the male as well as the female gametes they fuse together to form a zygote, that is called the fertilization. Clear hai? Clear hai? Now that means fertilization, as we are saying, it is taking place. But now the fertilization is of two types. One is called external fertilization and second is called internal fertilization. Right? What do you mean by external fertilization? That means the fusion of the male as well as the female gametes takes place outside of the female body. ठीक है? Internal क्या हुआ? When the fusion of the male as well as the female gamete, when they fuse together inside of the female body, then this is called internal fertilization. External, then it is outside. It is outside. Write down the definition. Write down. External में you can write the fertilization takes place outside of the female body. Fertilization takes place outside of the female body. तो समझ आ गया था ना fertilization वाला डायग्राम? Actually, the diagrams, whatever is given in your book, you have to do. It's there in your NCERT also. External fertilization, the fertilization that takes place outside the female body. Outside the female body is called external fertilization. Example लिखो, कहाँ होती है external fertilization? It takes place in case of the amphibians. Amphibians में कौन आ जाते हैं? Frogs and the toads, and even in the fishes also. मतलब mostly it takes place in case of the aquatic animals. अब now internal fertilization लिख लीजिए. Okay. External fertilization था the fertilization that takes place outside of the female body. That is called external. Example, amphibians, इसमें frogs, toads, and the fishes. Internal fertilization, क्या होगा internal? The fertilization that takes place inside the female body. The fertilization takes place inside the female body. That is called internal fertilization. That is called internal fertilization. Okay? Example, write down human beings. Human beings, birds, dogs. Okay. Birds. Insects. अब इसमें भी एक क्वेश्चन later on we will discuss. As I had written human being, so they will give the birds to the babies, है ना? Whereas the birds they will lay the eggs. Both that we will discuss later on. ठीक है? But the fertilization takes place in the female body. Clear है? Fertilization अंदर हुई है. ठीक है? That we will discuss later on the eggs or the babies. ठीक है? First we will discuss about the external fertilization. ठीक है? In case of external fertilization, as I am saying, it takes place in case of the amphibians like frogs, toads, as well as the fishes. ठीक है? इनके अंदर होती है. अब एक्चुअली में होता क्या है जब इनके अंदर फर्टिलाइजेशन होती है? जस्ट पहले समझ लो, ड्यूरिंग रेनी और द स्प्रिंग सीजन, है ना, द फ्रॉग्स दे विल मूव टुवर्ड्स द स्लो मूविंग रिवर. ठीक है? फ्रॉग्स एंड द ये जो टोड्स हैं दे विल मूव टू द स्लो मूविंग रिवर्स के पास आएंगे. फीमेल फ्रॉग दे विल ले द एग. ठीक है? वो एग्स जो हैं दे विल ले द एग्स आउट वहीं पे नियर टू द वाटर बॉडी दे विल ले द eggs. Male frog will come and releases its sperms over there on the eggs. ठीक है? So that is not inside the body. That is where outside of the body. ठीक है? And then when it fuses, तो नंबर ऑफ द एग्स जो है they fuse to get with the sperms and the zygote will be formed. समझ आई नहीं आई? आपने नोटिस किया ना कि फ्रॉग्स के केस में नंबर ऑफ द फ्रॉग्स आप देखते हो कितने छोटे छोटे बच्चे कितने नजर आते हैं, वाई सो बिकॉज वहां पे फर्टिलाइजेशन जो है मैक्सिमम होती है. ठीक है, दे ले फीमेल जो है फीमेल फ्रॉग दे ले 100 ऑफ एग्स ओवर देयर. ठीक है, बट दीज एग्स आर नॉट कवर्ड विद एनी प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर. इनके आसपास कोई प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर नहीं होती. दे ले 100 ऑफ एग्स नियर टू द रिवर, स्लो मूविंग रिवर. ठीक है, male frogs they will come and release the sperms on the eggs. They fuse together. अब जो eggs है आपने in the 5th standard or the 6th standard I think you had read about the frogs का पढ़ा हुआ है ना. So where we had even in the life cycle of a frog you had discussed. तो हम number of eggs बनाते हैं. ठीक है, they hold together. वो एक दूसरे को पकड़ के रखते हैं with the help of the jelly. The jelly like material is present over there which holds the eggs together. Otherwise, eggs are not covered with any protective layer. As the female will come, it releases or lays the eggs over there. Male will release the sperms over there. They fuse together to form a zygote, and the process will take place. That is outside of the female body. That is called external fertilization. वहीं पे एक क्वेश्चन और आता है कि why do fishes and all that they lay 100 of eggs? क्यों देते हैं? क्यों देते हैं? वेरी नाइस. ठीक है, वाई यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन है वाई डू, ये क्वेश्चन पहले लिख लीजिए. वाई डू फिशेस एंड फ्रॉग्स ले 100 ऑफ एग्स? वाई डू फिशेस एंड फ्रॉग्स ले 100 ऑफ lay egg in 100 of eggs, whereas hen lay only 1 egg. Whereas hen lay only 1 egg at a time. उसमें सबसे पहले the main point we will write down to ensure fertilization. तो इसका सबसे मेन आंसर है that is to ensure fertilization. To ensure fertilization means कि why they are giving 100 of eggs. देखो the main thing, पहला point, the eggs are outside of the female body. These are not covered with any layer, protective layer. That means due to the climatic condition, हवा तेज आई, बारिश हो गई, रेन है, विंड है और अदर प्रेडेटर्स जो इनके ऊपर खा भी सकते हैं एग्स को. ठीक है, some of the animals they will eat these eggs. ठीक है, तो ड्यू टू दीज कंडीशन दे ले द 100 ऑफ एग्स टू एंश्योर द फर्टिलाइजेशन, ताकि फर्टिलाइजेशन हो सके, स्पीशीज जो है वो एक्सटिंक्ट ना हो, है ना. तो टू एंश्योर द फर्टिलाइजेशन. अब आंसर इसका लिख लो पहले. ऑल द एग्स डू नॉट गेट फर्टिलाइज्ड. All the eggs do not get fertilized. All the eggs do not get fertilized and develop into new individual. And develop into new individual because eggs and sperms are exposed to sperms get exposed. Eggs and sperms get exposed. Water movements, exposed to water movement, wind, water movement, wind, rainfall, okay, and some other animals eat them.